sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. Then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep yet, guys. Baby sharky's jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky.
Just for you.
Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends again. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams lullaby saves the day.
Oh, no.
Sweet dreams now, hip hip hooray.
Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says, stay close to me. Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble, and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Pete and baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty says something is wrong. Subble, bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles, something nice is fly. Big round face in the sky. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the place. Monster says, give me light. Baby shark hides in fright. Oh no, no, what is that? Kitty and silly bubbles salute. Baby shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go away, go. Who bubbly? I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere will get to send the scary kite. Kitty shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Bubble, bubble, bubble kite. Something strange is starting tight. Kitty egg is happy now. Beauty shark is happy now. Bubble and says wow, wow, wow. So wow, wow, wow. So much fun. Woohoo! 5 skeletons were stealing eggs at shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone hid. The rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi now. No more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. Four skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, poor thing, stay away from this farm tonight. Three skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, this is not your place. They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, no more stealing eggs tonight. Two skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said no, no, no. One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pool. He saw her and started to flee. No more eggs for me, I'm free. Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No more stealing eggs
Almost got them all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Does moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh no, no, no. Jump. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea, no energy, feeling sad. Wow, no jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay, farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need ease. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo boy, she gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Trot, trot, trot. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at it. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. falling like cookies. Letters jump and run away. Tree, Pretty starts the game today. Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. A, Mr. A, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the alligator's tail. Hide away, end of the trail. Mr. B, Mr. B, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the bear, so wide day. Got you, D, low place to hide. Mr. C, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near crocodile splash pool. Got you, C, in one big dash. Hey! Mr. D, where are you?
Oh no!
Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the deer so fast. Got you, D, found you at last. Mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near elephant ear so bent. Got you, E, do a happy G. Mr. F, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding on a lily leaf. Got you, F, quick and brief. Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind giraffe so tall. Got you, G, I saw it all. Mr. H, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in hippo water splash. When got you, H, in one fast dash. Say to H, all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Kitty wins the alphabet playing key. Jungle now is never the same. Mr. I, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in the bush so low. Got in near the jungle stone. Slithering under leafy gun. Got you, S, you're found instead. Mr. T, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding under leaves so wide. Got you, G, come outside. Mr. M, where are you? Here I am,
Oh no!
peekaboo. Swinging fast on jungle rope. Trap you and wild escape rope. Talking loud in jungle air. Jungle letters side by side. PD searching every tree. Fun adventure, wild and free. Mr. Q, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. not alone. Slithering under leafy bed, up you see your file 99. A to C, all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Hiding under leaves so wide.
Oh no!
Pet your tongue outside. Mystery, mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Flying high above the sky. But you, don't fly by.